Hey y'all, J.R. Webster and my good buddy Marcus Gilbert here with United Country Virginia Realty and UC Hunting Properties. We're out here on a 576 acre farm. It's called Laurel Fork Farm, ain't that right, Marcus?
That's right.
Marcus, tell us a little bit about this property.
Well, this property has a little bit of everything that you'd want, folks. It's got some big stands of timber. The property has tons of water, has a pond, meadows, wildlife galore, and it's got a little trout stream down here, Laurel Fork Creek, that actually has some little native trout in it. And it's at the end of a road in Bland County. You've got ultimate privacy. You've got a nice cabin. You've got it all.
Well, hey, Marcus, I tell you, it's a beautiful piece of property. Got tons of footage in store for you guys. Marcus, let's go ahead and get out there and tour this property, right?
I look forward to it.
All right, listen, y'all stay tuned.
Hi folks, Marcus Gilbert here again. We're standing on the southern portion of Laurel Fork Farm in Bland County. We've accessed this property today through a real good system of interior roads. Most of the time we've been in two-wheel drive to get up here. If you're looking for a good hunting track with easy access, this might be your property.
Hey folks, out here standing in one of the most beautiful stands of mixed timber I've ever seen on a piece of property. Marcus, tell them all about it.
JR, thank you for coming. I'm glad you're here to see this beautiful forest that we have here in Bland County. Awesome poplar trees and huge pine trees. It's a mixed species forest with hardwood, softwood, great interior road system, and it's just a phenomenal property, JR.
Well, folks, you know, you talk about the phenomenal investment potential of Laurel Fork Farm. This farm certainly does have it.
Okay folks, here we are. We're standing in Bland County at 2486 Laurel Fork Road, and I'm on the northern side of the property and standing here on a beautiful road system. There's miles and miles and miles of trails here, and if you look to the south, you've got all this southern exposure on this property. There's great home sites, cabin sites, hunting galore in here, and you never have to ride the same trail 2 days in a row.
Now, Marcus, listen, let's talk about it. What did the folks just look at today?
Well, they looked at a farm that's very private in Bland County, a very desirable location. It's got a nice old cabin that was built in the 1800s. It's got fields. This property has abundant wildlife. It has abundant water with streams and ponds. It's just a total property, JR, for somebody that's an outdoor enthusiast.
Well, Marcus, I tell you, one of my favorite places on this property, and it got me from the very beginning, is when I was sitting there talking to one of the siblings that owns this property, and we're talking about two cabins being joined together, one in 1830, one in the 1860s, and modernized back in the 1960s, and it being what it is today. It's just a phenomenal piece of property with so much history.
Yeah.
Now listen, Marcus, if folks want to purchase this property, if they just want to come out and tour it and maybe think about buying this property, how do they get in contact with you?
Call me. I'm with Virginia Realty United Country. My telephone number is 276-970-1764. Give them your number, JR.
Well, listen, if you guys like this property and you want more information, give me a call, 804-210-6533. As always, you can check out all of our properties on the web at ucvirginiarealty.com. Now, Marcus, that's a wrap here in Bland County, right?
That's right, buddy.
Well, listen, y'all be good and we'll see you in the next one.